Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10 6th lesson triangles lesson exercise 6.2 6th sum. See here, in the figure 6.1 this is the diagram. A, B, C are the midpoints of, see here, A, B, C are the midpoints of OP, OQ, OR respectively such that AB parallel to PQ, AC parallel to PR, show that BC parallel to QR we have to prove. Okay, carefully listen, I will explain. A, B, C are the midpoints. See here, A is the midpoint of OP. See here, A is the midpoint of OP. Are the points, not midpoints. A, B, C are the points. A is the point on OP. B is the point on OQ. C is the point on OR. This is the first concept. See here, A, B, C are the points on OP, OQ, OR. So, A is the point on OP, B is the point on OQ, C is the point on OR. This is the first step. Next, again given what? AB parallel to PQ. See here, AB, this is the AB parallel to PQ. AB parallel to PQ. Next is given what? AC parallel to PR. So, this line parallel to AB parallel to PQ. AC parallel to PR. Now, we will prove what? BC parallel to QR. You have to prove. This is the question. See here, once again not understood means I will explain what is the question is there. See, A is the point on OP, B is the point on OQ, C is the point on OR. Next, AB parallel to PQ, AC parallel to PR. Now we have to prove what? AC parallel to QR you have to prove. Okay, see here, step by step I will explain here. See here, first see here. First, which triangle we will take? See here, only this much triangle. OPQ triangle. This triangle we will take. Okay, this triangle we will take means first I will write here. See, in triangle, see here, POQ. Only this much triangle I am taking. POQ. This much triangle taking means in this one, in this triangle, POQ triangle, these two are parallel is there. These two are parallel means remaining two sides are the proportional. Two sides proportional means this side parallel is there. So this side proportional. Proportional means what we will write? OB by BQ. See here I am writing OB by BQ equal to OA by AP. OA by AP. Okay. This is the first point over. Next we will take which triangle? POR triangle. This triangle we will take. So triangle we are taking what? Triangle POR. In this one, this triangle you also you write. What is the parallel is there? AB parallel to PQ. You mention here. Next, which triangle we are taking? POR. This triangle taking. This triangle taking means this is parallel to this is. POR triangle means what is the parallel is there? AC parallel to PR. Now you mention AC parallel to PR. So these two sides, these two parallel is there means remaining two sides are the proportional. So this side proportional, this side proportional. So what we can write? OC by CR. So now you write OC by CR. Here, OC by CR. Next, OA by AP is equal to OA by AP. OA by AP. Now you take, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Which theorem you are using? Right here, BPT theorem. Here also mention, this is also BPT theorem. Now, these two equations came. After coming, you observe here, what is there? See here, this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. See here, right hand side, OA by AP is there. This one also, OA by AP is there. So, right hand side equal is there, means automatically left hand side also equal. So, from equation 1 and 2, see here, right hand side equal is there. So, automatically it is left hand side equal. So, equal is there means what we will write? OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Okay, right hand side from equation 1 and 2, right hand side equal is there means automatically left hand side equal. Now you observe means, now see here, only now we will take only this much triangle. Which triangle? QOR triangle take. QOR triangle. So this triangle we are taking. In triangle QOR, only this much triangle taking means, see here, already equation came. What is there in triangle QOR? What is there? OB in triangle OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Okay, in this triangle already it is came OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. So this answer came means, see, these two sides proportional is there means automatically third side is a parallel. What is the parallel? These two sides proportional is there in this one. This side or this side proportional is there. So automatically third side is a parallel. What is the third side? So BC parallel to QR. What is the reason? Converse of BPT. You can write here converse of BPT. You can write it. Finish the answer. Now we want BC parallel to QR. This is the answer. This is the fair notes. Use it. This is the explanation. Okay. Nothing, Baba. First you take this triangle. This triangle you are taking means, see, this side parallel is there. So this proportional. One equation you will get. Next you take this triangle. These two are parallel is there. So remaining two sides are proportional you will get. That one you take a second equation. From equation 1 into what is there? Right hand side equal is there. You take left hand side, automatically it will be equal. See here, equal came means you will get this equation. This equation after you observe, now you take only this much triangle, OQR triangle. OQR triangle taken means these two sides are proportional is there. So automatically third side is a parallel. What is the reason? Converse of BPT theorem. You can write it. Okay. Now, seventh question. Using the theorem 6.1, what is the first theorem? BPT theorem. Using the theorem 6.1, prove that the line is drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle parallel to the another side, bisect the third side. You have to prove. See here, what is the question is there? I will explain carefully. Listen here. See here, first theorem, what is there? BPT theorem. Okay, see here. Prove that the line is drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle. See here, ABC triangle is there. One side of the triangle, this point is there. No, see here, this side, first side, what is there? AB is the side. See here, this P is there. No, midpoint of this side. Okay, see, prove that line is drawn through the midpoint. Line is drawing to the midpoint of one side of the triangle. Line is drawn to the midpoint of this side, midpoint to midpoint of one side of the triangle. One side of the triangle to you are drawing one line. You are drawing one line. See, next parallel to the other side. This line is parallel to the other side. Okay, next we have to prove what? Bisect the third side. So this third side, it will be bisect. Bisect means it's a divide equally. We have to prove. This is the question. One triangle is there, ABC triangle. See here, one side, see here, prove that line is drawn through the midpoint of one side. One side, this is the midpoint of one side too. You are drawing a line. That line is parallel to another side. That line is parallel to another side. Now we have to prove what? This third side is there. It will be this third side, it will be bisect. We have to prove. This is the question. One side midpoint, you are drawing a line. That line parallel to another side. Next, one more side, three sides. Third side is, it will be bisect. You have to prove. This is the question. Are you clear? I think. Now see here, in this one, we have to write a given, to prove, and construction. What is the given is there? What is there in the question? That is the given. See here, what is there in the question? In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB. This P is the midpoint of AB. You write it given. In triangle ABC, this P is the midpoint of AB. Next, PQ intersect AC at Q. PQ intersect AC at Q. This PQ line is there, no? This one intersecting AC at Q. Again, what is given in the question? PQ parallel to BC. This is the given. See, given once again I will explain. See, in triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB and PQ intersect AC at Q. Next, what is there? One more point. PQ parallel to BC. Given, you can write it. Now we have to prove what? Q is the midpoint of AC. This Q is midpoint or bisect. Bisect means equally, this line divide equally. So Q is bisect AC, we have to prove. Bisect means meaning what? This AC how much is then QC also same measurement. This is the given and this is to prove. Now what is the proof is there? Here I will explain. See what is the proof is there. Now we will start the proof. In this one now what is there? PQ parallel to BC. So PQ parallel to BC. Now you can write it PQ parallel to BC. In question only is given this line is parallel. One side parallel is there means remaining two sides are the proportional. Why they are proportional? By using BPT theorem. So this side parallel is there means this side are the proportional. So I am taking proportional. Proportional meaning what? AP by PB. So now you can write AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. AQ by QC. What is the reason? By BPT. By BPT, this is the proportional. Okay, one side parallel is there means remaining two sides are the proportional. But in the question, what is given? P is the midpoint of AC. P is the midpoint of AC. Midpoint meaning what? These lines divide equally. See here I will explain. P is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint meaning what? This AP how much is measurement is there? No? AP equal to PB. Both are same measurement. Same measurement means AP by PB. It is equal to 1:1 ratio. Okay, see here both are equal is there. Both are equal means what? It is 1:1 ratio. So now what is the given in the question? Question given what is there means AP by PB, it is equal to 1:1. See here AP by PB, both are same measurement. It is a midpoint. Midpoint meaning what? AP is equal to PB. So ratio you are taking means AP by PB equal to 1:1 ratio. So now you take AP by PB is equal to 1:1. What is the reason? This is given in the question. This is the midpoint of AB. So he is given in the question. So now you take this is the second equation. Now from equation 1 and 2, you observe here left hand side both equal is there. See here AP by PB, AP by PB. From equation 1 and 2 what happened? This both are equal is there means left hand side equal is there means automatically right hand side. See here this one equal to, see here left hand side both equal is there. So automatically these sides are equal. So now you write here AQ by QC is equal to, you take 1/1. Now you do cross multiplication this one. Cross multiplication did means what happened? AQ into 1 you will get AQ equal to QC into 1 you will get QC. So this AQ equal to QC. So this meaning what? This meaning what? AQ is equal to QC. This meaning what? Q is bisect AC. So now you can write Q is bisect AC is the answer. So this is the proof. Very simple question is there. Not understood means once again you watch it. Okay. Now 8th question. Using theorem 6.2. What is the theorem 6.2? Converse of BPT. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle is parallel to third side. Okay, see here, what is the question is there? I will explain. See here, one triangle is there, ABC. See here, prove that the line is joining midpoints of any two sides of the triangle. See here one line joining, that is the midpoint of these two sides, midpoint of any two sides. So this side midpoint, one line is joining. Now we have to prove what? It is parallel to third side. So this midpoint to AB midpoint to AC midpoint to, you are drawing one line. That these two sides midpoint to you are drawing one line. This line is parallel to third side. We have to prove. This is the question. Okay. Now see here, what is the given? We have to write in the question. See here, this is the midpoint. Midpoint meaning what? AP and PB same measurements. So you can write it AP equal to PB. This is also midpoint. Midpoint meaning what? AQ is equal to QC. So in given you write it AP equal to PB and AQ is equal to QC. Now we have to prove what? These two lines are parallel. PQ parallel to BC. This is given over. To prove over, here I will do explanation. See here. Given what is there? AP is equal to PB. AQ is equal to QC. Now we have to prove what? To prove what is there? PQ parallel to BC. See here. Prove what is there. See here. Proof I will explain here. See. See here. What is the proof is there? See here. This is the midpoint to drawing line. This midpoint to AC midpoint to P is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint meaning what? AP and PB same measurements. So now I am writing AP by PB. Both are same measurement. Same measurement means it is which ratio? 1 by 1 ratio. So same measurement is there means it will be, see here example, it is 4, it is 4. 4 by 4 it will cancel, you will get 1 by 1 answer. So this is the 1 by 1 ratio is there. You take this is the first equation. Next, this is also midpoint of AC. So AQ and QC same measurements. So now you write here AQ by QC is equal to, you take 1 by 1. This is the second equation. Okay. Now see from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 what you will get? From 1 and 2, you can write it from 1 and 2. Now you observe right hand side what is there? 1 by 1, 1 by 1 same is there. Right hand side same is there means automatically left hand side is the equal. Equal meaning what we will write? AP by PB equal to AQ by QC, you can write it. So these two are proportional is there. See here, AP by PB, AQ by QC. These two are proportional is there means two sides proportional means what is the third side? Third side is the parallel. What is the third side is there? PQ parallel to BC. What is the reason? You can write it's converse of BPT. Okay, BPT. This much only answer. This is the very easy question. Okay, I hope are you clear? I think again you have any doubt also comment it, subscribe my channel.